In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a password on Salesforce. Whether you've misplaced your credentials or just need to refresh your security, resetting your password is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and make sure you can regain access quickly and easily. To start, please navigate to Salesforce by entering salesforce.com into the address bar of your web browser. Salesforce is known as the customer company, and it provides a wide range of cloud-based applications, so logging in is your gateway to all these options. When you reach the home page, you'll spot the login button. Give that a click to proceed. It's typically in the upper right corner and should be pretty easy to find. Once you've clicked the login button, you'll be brought to a new page where you'll see the option to log into your Salesforce account. Go ahead and click on the Salesforce link. This is the key step that directs you towards the actual login page where you will be entering your credentials. On the login page, you're likely to see an option that says Log in with email. This means Salesforce gives you flexibility in logging in with your email address, which can sometimes be linked to a Google account. Click on this Login with Email button as it conveniently facilitates the process, especially if you've associated your Salesforce account with your email. Now, if your Salesforce account is linked with Gmail, you will also see a prompt that might say gmail.com. This indicates you can integrate authentication with your Gmail credentials. Click on that if it applies to you. This can simplify the process, especially if you frequently use that email address for business applications. After clicking, you will get to the page where there is a prompt to reset your password. You'll find a button labeled Reset Password. Click on it, and this will initiate the password reset process. Salesforce then sends you an email to the address associated with your account, which contains a link to reset your password securely. In case you don't receive the email, or perhaps can't access your email for some reason, Salesforce provides an additional option. A message will pop up saying, "Still can't log in," we can resend the email, or you can contact your administrator. This means there is support available if you're unable to complete the reset on your own. It's a useful reminder that Salesforce has backup options to assist every step of the way. And there you have it. That's how you reset your password on Salesforce. This guide ensures that no matter the hurdle, you can get back to using Salesforce with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to return for more guides if you ever find yourself in need of a quick how-to.